the warmth of the sun on a chilly morning, or the peace that comes when everything finally makes sense. Loving you is effortless, like breathing, like a melody I never tire of hearing. When I think of you, my heart smiles in a way words can barely express. You have become my calm in chaos, my laughter in silence, my reason to believe in beautiful things. You walk into a room and suddenly everything feels lighter, better, more alive. No matter where I go or what I do, a part of me is always reaching for you, drawn by the quiet magic of your presence. With you, even the ordinary becomes extraordinary. You are not just in my heart, you are my heart. Loving you isn't just something I do, it's who I am now, and I wouldn't change a single second of these feelings. Thank you